Maldives, the land of sun, sand, and sea. This vlog is from our recent trip to the paradise on earth. Our first flight was from Delhi, India to Malé International Airport, followed by 30 minutes flight from Malé to domestic airport at Dalu Atoll. This is described as one of the most scenic flights in the world, where you can see spectacular views of the island from the plane. After landing in Dalu Atoll, we took a 20 minutes boat ride to the island. And then we finally reached our island, KANDIMA Maldives. If you're looking for relaxation, excitement, speed, marine beauty, or an opportunity to create that private version of paradise you have in your mind, this is the perfect place for you. This property offers a stylish island setting with extraordinary restaurants and bars and plenty of on-site activities to choose from. This island property is around 3 to 4 kilometers long. To commute, you will find hop-on hop-off buses that drives up and down the resort throughout the day through to night. Beach villas are generally located in the middle of the property. We stayed in the water villa, which spreads out into the ocean from one of the ends of the island. I can't express in words how beautiful this island is. These spectacular beaches with crystal clear water and sugar white sand took our breath away. We stayed in the Aqua Villa with jacuzzi, which is perfect for those seeking the ultimate overwater retreat. The room features a private sun deck with a swirl pool, sun loungers, and a bathroom with a perfect view of Kandima's extensive lagoon. Some of the room highlights include in-room entertainment system, minibar with coffee machine, private deck with jacuzzi and lagoon access, and a free standing bathtub with a sea view. We have been to beach destinations across the world, including Hawaii, Miami, Florida, Puerto Rico in the Caribbean, Cancun, Mexico, etc. But this is, hats off, one of the most beautiful beach destinations so far. At KANDIMA, you will find a total of 10 unique restaurants and bars offering mouth-watering flavors from all around the world. There are different meal plans available. We opted for full boat plan, which includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are really beautiful public areas and spaces around KANDIMA Maldives. This was one of our most favorite spots, which is also great for taking pictures. KANDIMA has the largest pool in the entire Maldives, measuring around 100 to 120 meters. These are some other beautiful spots, great for taking pictures. Also, you can hire the bikes to explore the beautiful property. I won't lie, but what we enjoyed most about our stay was the delicious mouth-watering food. You can find every possible cuisine you can think of. Also, there were great options for Indian food. Even at night, this place looked so beautiful. There are different party options which you can attend, or you can just go and chill at the bar with great live music. This is what we woke up to the very next morning. It was literally like living the dream. Apart from this, at KANDIMA, you will find other great options like spas with steam rooms and plunge pools, KANDIMA's very own art studio, a fitness center where you can join a group session Pilates and aerial yoga classes, and a shopping boutique offering beach clothing and accessories along with personal care products. Also, you will find incredible range of water activities which you can enjoy while you are on the island. Even for breakfast, you will find great food options. And the hardest part was saying bye to this beautiful piece of heaven. Before closing this video, I would like to talk about some important travel tips for Maldives. Number 1. Sunscreen is your best friend. I would recommend SPF 70 and above and reapply every 2 hours. Number 2. Don't forget sunglasses and sun hats. Number 3. Wear comfortable footwears to avoid shoe bites. Number 4. Don't carry alcohol or any tobacco products to avoid unnecessary hassle at the airport. Number 5. Plan your trip between November to April as it is considered the best time to visit Maldives. And last but not the least, relax and don't forget to enjoy. And as they say, the best things in life are the people we love, the places we have been, and the memories we have made along the way. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.